Hey, Angela here, and I have a question for you. Are you bossing or leading your MLM organization? Are you bossing or leading your team? Hey, this is Angela Carter Tyson with www.recruitrepsonline.com, and I want to share with you a really quick mindset shift that can help you get more action from your team in terms of duplication, how to inspire your team into action. And it's a simple concept that I learned in terms of, are you bossing or leading your organization? This is a question that you want to ask yourself as you are leading your team. So this is for those of you who have a team. Even if you have one person on your team, this is a question that you want to ask yourself. Am I bossing or leading my team? How do you know the difference? A boss says I, and a leader says we. A boss inspires fear, but a leader inspires enthusiasm. A boss knows how it is done, but a leader shows how. A leader shows how. A boss says go, and a leader says let's go. A boss drives their workers, and a leader coaches them. So those are some things that you want to check. Check your language. Check how you are talking, how you are speaking. Are you using the language of a leader, or are you using the language of a boss? If you have been using the language of a boss, then you want to make those adjustments. Start saying we, start saying let's go, start showing how, start inspiring enthusiasm. And you will see a shift, a massive shift in your organization. Why? Because you have shifted. If we can change you, if we can shift your mindset, if we can get you to now start thinking like a leader, start talking like a leader, and start taking the actions like a leader takes, then you will start seeing a shift and a major difference inside of your organization. So if you are watching this and you say, Angela, but I don't have anyone on my team yet, and you want to learn how to master recruiting so you can have group to lead, then you want to go to recruitrepsonline.com. I have a free training on there on how you can now learn how to recruit up to 5 people a week inside of your organization without having to chase your family and friends and without doing any cold calling. Because if you can recruit up to 5 people a week like I've been able to do all online, then you will have people that you can now lead and not boss.